In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever opened a PDF and wished the text looked a little different, you'll see how simple it is to update the font on existing text blocks. We'll walk through getting into edit mode, selecting what you want to change, and choosing a new typeface from Acrobat's formatting controls. First, open Adobe Acrobat with the PDF you want to adjust visible on your screen. Having the document open is important because the formatting options appear only when you're working inside a file. Next, click Edit at the top to enter Acrobat's editing tools. Depending on your version, you might see an Edit menu in the top bar or an Edit PDF option in the toolbar. Either way, switch into editing so that the formatting panel and text handles appear. If you don't see them yet, don't worry, they'll show up as soon as you click into the text. Now, select the text whose font you want to change. Click once to place the cursor, then drag to highlight the exact words or sentences. If you want an entire paragraph, it can be quicker to triple click inside it. A quick note, this process works on real selectable text. If the content behaves like an image and you can't highlight characters, that means it's not editable text, and the font can't be changed until it's recognized as text. With your text selected, look for the font drop-down in the formatting controls. You'll typically find it along the right side or at the top of the workspace once you're in edit mode. Click the drop-down to open the list of available fonts on your system. Scroll through the list to explore your font options. Take your time here. Different fonts have different weights and spacing, which can affect how your paragraph fits on the page. As you scroll, think about readability and document consistency, especially if this PDF will be shared or printed. When you see the font you want, click it to apply the change. Acrobat will instantly update your selected text to the new typeface. If you like how it looks, you're all set. If not, simply reopen the drop-down and try another font until you find the right match. Repeat the same select and choose process for any other text areas you want to update. That's all it takes to change fonts in Adobe Acrobat. Open, edit, select, choose from the drop-down, scroll, and apply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.